So I'm going to show you a simple breathwork exercise that is really helpful to release any stuck energy, help us start with a clean slate today. And it's very, very simple. We'll be doing this as part of our meditation, and then I'll get some instruments to play for you all. So focus on your belly. You can even bring your right hand to your belly if that feels good. Inhale into your belly and hold. Exhale out your mouth. 2 more to start. Inhale, belly. Exhale, let it go. Last one. Inhale, belly. Exhale, release. So this breath is really great to release stress proactively and also in the moment as well. The way it works is we're going to inhale 4 times, puffing up our belly. We'll exhale 4 times, deflating our belly. So focusing on your belly, you can place your hand here for some feedback. So you'll inhale, exhale. So there's sharp inhales, sharp exhales. We're only doing 4. But if you feel a little lightheaded, just stick with 3. Works for you. So we'll begin together. So inhale 4 times. Exhale 4. You'll hear a little constriction in the back of your throat. That's completely normal. So inhale 4. Exhale. Join me. Really nice. Just waking up the body. Keep going with your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. A few more rounds. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one together. Nice. Take a full inhale in through your nose. Exhale out your mouth. 2 more. Last one. Really nice. You can go ahead and close your eyes. Take a deep breath into your belly. And just notice any tension in your body, any new energy floating up. Just allow your body to relax, coming back to center. Maybe imagining any stress or tension, anxiety melting down from the crown of your head, down your shoulders, your neck, arms, torso, legs, and feet. Feel yourself connected to the ground, the earth. Breathing deep. And start to bring your focus back to your breath. Our breath is one of our most powerful tools for returning home to ourselves. So throughout your day today, you can always come back to your breath. If anything starts to feel overwhelming, just take 3 deep belly breaths. You may notice notice as you sit here that your to-do list starts to creep in between your thoughts. See if you can just bring ease and presence and let that go. Redirecting your focus back to your breath, maybe the sounds of the bowls, the vibrations. Now bring your focus to your heart. See if you can send your inhales here, really filling up this space with tenderness and compassion. In the yoga tradition, the heart chakra, anahata, means unstruck sound. So when we can get quiet and really bring presence and awareness to our heart space, the idea is that we might hear our inner voice, our ancient wisdom, intuition. So as you focus on your heart and hear the vibration of these bowls tuned exactly to that chakra or energy center, I invite you to listen deeply. What does your heart want you to know? Take another deep breath into your heart space. Exhale out your mouth. Slowly bringing yourself back to the room. Maybe wiggling your fingers and toes, keeping your eyes closed. Just notice any difference in emotion or energy than when you started this practice. Without judgment. In your own time, when it feels right, you can begin to reach your arms up overhead, taking a little stretch. And exhale, let your hands go. Falling to your knees just for some grounding this morning. You can press into your thighs with your palms, keeping your eyes closed one more moment. Let's close class together with a deep breath in. Exhale out. I honor you for showing up for yourself this morning, taking some time to tune inwards and connect to your heart space. Namaste.